Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the chat widget and OBS. First, get the chat widget URL from your streaming platform or a chat overlay service. This is what OBS will render. Once done, open OBS, click the plus under Sources and choose Browser Source. Name it clearly so you can find it later. Then paste the widget URL into the URL field and set width and height to match your canvas. This creates the chat layer. You'll position and style it next. Once the source is added, you should position and style the chat. Use OBS transform tools to resize, crop, and snap the chat to a corner or dedicated panel. Anchoring prevents accidental shifts when you change layout. Make stylistic tweaks via the overlay service or by entering custom CSS in the browser source properties. This is why you pasted a widget URL instead of raw chat. Adjust font size, colors, and transparency so chat is readable but doesn't block gameplay. Test overlays in preview mode to confirm. To finish, lock the chat source in place and save your scene collection so you can revert if needed. Then run a quick private test or use a chat replay to ensure messages render and moderation settings carry through. If chat updates lag or never appears, make sure the widget URL is correct, browser source is enabled, and CORS or firewall rules aren't blocking requests. Finally, clear the cache in browser source properties and reload the page. That often resolves stubborn display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.